Hi friends, welcome to IMO videos, standard 8, video number 3, rational numbers, section A, easy. Let's start. Which of the following options is true? Now there are 4 options, I'll show one by one each. A is this, 5 by 7 is less than 7 by 9 is less than 9 by 11 is less than 11 by 13. You have to find out whether this is true or false. Remember, this is only one option. There are 4 options like this. So, we'll have to solve each option one by one. Now first I'll show you the book method, what the book does. First book method is take the LCM of all of these 7, 9, 11, 13 denominators. Then find the answer. I would suggest don't find the answer. Just keep the multiplication as it is. Then convert each fraction into that LCM. Means 5 by 7 means multiply by remaining numbers numerator and denominator. Similarly this 7 by 9, 9 by 11, 11 by 13. In fact, you have to find the answers in that case. Yeah, you'll have to find the answers. Then compare, as the denominators would be the same, compare each numerator with each other. Now, similarly, 4 options like this. You'll go mad while solving these problems like this. So don't solve it by this book method. I'll show you the fastest method. First, see, these are the 4 options, A, B, C and D. These you have to solve each one by that book method. I'll definitely say you'll go mad. So, the correct answer is A over here. That's why first I am solving B, C, D and then A. So let's start with B first. Instead of getting LCMs of all these 4s as given in the books, what you do is, the best way is, compare first two. Means 11 by 13, 9 by 11. Just check this. How to compare two fractions? Cross multiply them. 11 11 is 121 and 13 9 is 117. So the answer comes over here is 121 is less than, this sign remains same, is less than 117. So is this true? False. So once this is false, the whole statement becomes false. So don't solve anything else. B is false. Now C. Compare first two and last two. Okay. 5 by 7 and 11 by 13. So cross multiply 65 and 77. 65 less than 77. That is true. So compare last two. 7 upon 9 and 9 upon 11. So 11 7 is 77, 9 9 is 81. So 77 less than 81. That is also true. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yoga Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.